Hey guys, you've tuned into Moneycontrol and I'm Manisha Gupta, and it is one sector which has continued to give you good returns, clearly has been the industrial metals. Today as well, the metals as a sector is performing quite nice here. We are looking at copper prices trading at a new 7-month highs. Gold is hit another all-time highs in the Indian markets this time, and quite contrary to what we are doing in the international markets, the gold prices in India have given you lower returns. So while the COMEX gold prices are up by nearly 6% in this year, the Indian prices are up by 3%, and that is because the rupees appreciated to nearly a 2-month highs. But it is about copper prices, and we're trading at a 7-month highs here because of the strong buying that China saw in the previous week. It's all about pent-up buying in China. Remember, because of the zero COVID policy, China had been buying much lesser. The imports on month, year-on-year basis were on the lower side, but we have seen that change in the month of January. Chinese buying has been quite strong, and that clearly has been supportive. China for this week is absent because they're celebrating Lunar New Year holidays, and with lower volumes as well, the buying has been on the higher side here. There's an important view that has come in from Fit Solutions, which says that in last year we saw Chinese growth or the overall market growth in sense of consumption by 1.5%, but this year is expected much higher at 4.4%. That has been a supportive factor. And then copper clearly is an energy transition metal. It's known as a green metal. The demand from the EV sector is expected to be quite on the stronger side as well. So copper clearly seems to be raking all of that good news and fundamentals into its prices. My group, which is a privately owned group in China, also has suspended trade because of financial concerns. So the buying has come in on to lower participants and with premium, and that seems to be supporting. And in any case, there have been production concerns from Chile and Peru, and that have been keeping the prices on the higher side. There also is an interesting report from Eurasian which says that copper prices may increase anywhere between 10 to 20% in this year because of the strong demand expectation that the street has here. Copper inventories globally are at just about 4 days of global consumption. When you look at zinc, the global inventories are at just about 1 day of global consumption. So these are a couple of metals which have continued to do quite well. Copper prices actually have gained up by 4.5% in last 1 week, and they are up 12% in last 1 month now. And that pretty much has been the case across metals. Zinc continues to trade on a stronger side. Markets do believe that an underperformer, which has been aluminum, could actually go out and be an outperformer because we've seen other metals gain and aluminum not so much. So this is a metal to keep an eye on as well. What the street is watching now, right now, is going to be about the US hitting its debt ceiling. While it always gets resolved, but this is a choppy time as well, so we see jittery markets. But it also is going to be about the fourth quarter GDP numbers from US getting released on Thursday. That is yet another thing that the markets will keep an eye on. In the meantime, till the Chinese demand continues to come in, till the whole news is not factored in, the expectation is that you are going to see metal prices continue to trade firm. So whether it's industrial metals or precious metals, today is yet another day when we are looking at strong demand scenario continue.